शेयर करने के लिए इनको नहीं तो बना डीलर 4 डीलर की खरीद है ना। लेकिन को भाई स्किप ना करो। आज भाई मैं बाहर आया हूँ और अपना वीडियो को बना रहा हूँ। देख सकते हो वीडियो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करना है, शेयर करना, बेल आइकन को नहीं दबाना। यार नोट एक अरे टुडे आई एम वर्किंग भाई, काम कर रहा हूँ। चैनल भाई सब लोग सपोर्ट करो कि लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करो, शेयर करो, बेल आइकन को नहीं दबाओ ताकि आप लोगों को हर नए वीडियोस पहुंच जाएगी। सब लोग ज़रूर सपोर्ट करो कि शेयर करो। घर को जा रहा हूँ तो ये भी काफ़ी है यार। वीडियो सपोर्ट करना हो, शेयर करना। रोज पर दवा छू भाई सपोर्ट के लाइक और सब्सक्राइब के और शेयर के सीधा सपोर्ट सपोर्ट की जरूरत है। सपोर्ट अरे मैं से काले के बनी करने में कहता है जैसे कोई तो ना हो रही भाई इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स का एक potential surface muy charged tenia gicha pe kam da imaginary lines di da todo bi har each point mani si equal bi da ke dam garkal equal potential is उस वाली ची we have 12 voltage motorcycle battery that can move 5000 car coulomb of charge 12 voltage car battery da aga moki how ki sona 5000 or how ki 60000 coulomb of charge, how much energy does it deliver? ये बस sona energy total deliver की मोटरसाइकिल बैटरी शवा ओ बैटरी शवा कार बैटरी शवा आज वाला बराबर ये वो तरह मल्टीप्लाई करने होता है पूरा वो जोड़ लाश तक एनर्जी वजह से की वर्क electric potential energy is to be and potential due to the point charge जो the point charge is the discharge is the पदे प्राप्ति दरमियान दा चिकम potential ले और the potential energy electric potential energy let's earth gravitational field ले every charges has electric field which theoretically expand up to infinity. Consider an isolated charge fixed in space is shown. The electric field intensity is given by equation E1/4 not U r square r. If the test charge come there is at infinity, which is moving toward the charge. Now, if the force of repulsion acts on it, since external work is required to be done or to bring charges from infinity to point. No, therefore, negative sign is inserted in equation. The work is done. चैनल भाई लाइक करना सब्सक्राइब करना शेयर करना बेल आइकन को स्किप नहीं करना ताकि आप लोगों को हर नए वीडियोस हमारा पहुंच जाएगा। ओके, सब दोस्तों की सपोर्ट करने का शुक्रिया जो आप लोगों ने इतना सपोर्ट किया। वीडियोस लाइक दियो के चैनल को सब्सक्राइब भी किया शेयर भी। नो ये जो टेस्ट चार्ज है in infinity which is moved toward the pure a force repulsion actually in the external work is required in work done to bring the charge from infinity to point A. Therefore, a negative sign is inserted in equation. The work done is. The equation is the work done is. Now, W is equal to minus QE delta R minus QE delta R cos 1/80. The work done or charge is electric field or delta R radius. No putting the value of E delta W 1/4 not equal Q R square star. Charge show gauge up at the potential gauge one line work done on test charge money or show in moving it toward the source charges. The process is called determination electric fields or due to the 2-point charges terminal. Electric fields, electric potential charges terminal. To let us discharge it is large distance from the charges which electric fields does not remain constant but varies as the square of the distance from the charges. We divide the distance between the RA and RB and infinitesimally small displacement so that the field intensity over each displacement remain constant over between point RA and R1 is. RA R1 on Q 4 pi epsilon naught 1 over R1 minus 1 over RA. Similarly, per second small displacement R1 minus R2 work done is. That's rather and delta W R in RB Q 4 pi naught over 1 over RB minus 1 over Rn. Now, total work done in moving a charge from RA to RB can be calculated by the taking its sum. The W R A RB told देखिए the electric potential चिकम दे एक point in an electric field कम चिमुक सर electric potential दे एक point पर electric field ना अगर मैं भी define करूँगा is the amount of work done in moving a unit body to a charge from infinity to that point with the uniform velocity. The electric potential at distance r from Q is V is equal to WQ 1 over 4 pi E naught QR. W divided by Q 1 over 4 pi E naught QR. Now, example say a point charge is of 3 microcoulomb. A point charge is placed to a point of between M and N 3 centimeter apart. Point M is 2 centimeter from the charge and N is the 1 centimeter from the charge. Now, what is the potential difference Vm minus Vn? No, 2 centimeter or 1 centimeter. No potential due to the point charge is remains the same. 2 centimeter, they 1 centimeter. Means that potential difference. Now, given charge is the that was the numericals. Charge is 3 coulomb. The distance check the 2 centimeter. They will less than 1 centimeter. Then potential difference is the potential جوبل determine the potential difference ना आगे क्या उस राशि चाहिए two charges the 5 multiplied to per coulomb of 60 centimeter apart now at what points on the line joining the two charges is the electric potential is zero. Take the potential at infinity to be zero. उस राशि the electron volt से division. The electron volt is a unit of energy or work. Electron volt the unit doesn't the energy or the work unit. Electron volt. Electron volt the energy or the work से the unit. The amount of energy जिसमें मुझे acquire the or last की سمنا energy مصر last وسمنا مصر acquired by an electron. The electron जिसमें energy last की سمنا acquired साथी amount की. Now when it is displaced across 2 points between which potential difference is 1 volt, determine the potential difference is 1 volt. Similar amount of energy acquired and lost. So the electron when be so, the electron will be CV. And by like or subscribe करो share. The electron will be CV करे sumna amount of energy musara acquired भी और sumra lost की or electron. So when displaced across the 2 points between which is the so 1 volt. Electron different potential difference पे सुनो 1 volt तो दक्के तुम का call the electron volt सुना amount of energy musara acquired भी sumra lost की. So when electron बसी भी अगर displaced की 2 point चिकम between the potential difference determine the 2 point charge determine the potential difference 1 volt इधर के तुम इसका the electron volt energy तो बदन को energy electron dash की को acquire साथी मुझे 2 point charge determine the चिंग सर 1 potential difference रहा इधर के तुम का call the electron volt होइल now since the magnitude चिंग सर कम दे the charges of an electron अगर is about 1.602 multiplied 10 minus 19 coulomb. It follows that an electron volt is about electron volt is about 1.602 multiplied into power minus 19 joule. Coulomb or joule. Now by definitions. Now delta Ke is equal to 1 over EV when Q is equal to E is equal to 1.602 multiplied into power minus 19 coulomb and delta V and 1 over V. That's 1 over electron volt 1.602 multiplied 10 minus 19 coulomb multiplied by 1 volt 10 minus 19 joule. Now this is the smaller unit of energy that you already shanti unit the joule that you energy. It is bigger unit chikam the multiple lava ki biara the electron volt chikam the data is the frequency is used in below 1 mega electron volt या 1 giga electron volt da biara large unit oda barabar 106 or 109 giga chicken that 9 and mega chicken that 6 or small unit the energy the volt सही ना now the video example say a particle carrying a charge 3 electron fall start a potential difference of 5 volt calculate the energy acquired by the particle we calculate the energy जिसमें acquired the particle then given charge the 3 potential difference that is equal to 5 now required energy Ke solutions the energy soon acquired by the charged particle that is now 15 multiplied by 1 minus 602 multiplied 10 minus 19 joule now 2.4 multiplied 10 minus 18 joule लाया दुनिया मुतरा joule energy पैदा की गई चैनल लाइक करना हो सब्सक्राइब करना और शेयर करना बेल आइकन को नहीं दबाना ताकि आप लोगों को हर नए वीडियोस हमारा पहुंच जाएगा सब दोस्तों की सपोर्ट करने का शुक्रिया हो कि आप लोगों ने इतना सपोर्ट दिया the which charge is 3 electron potential difference delta V चला दे 5 volt energy बस होने भी ना energy चला 2.4 multiplied minus 18 joule energy ना the electron volt हम पढ़े के शामिल जो का यो पढ़े कि new topic जाशो the electron volt दा भैया साथ में थोड़ी तरह जुड़ी electric potential is and the 2 point charge is electric